Welcome to this updated guide on how to enable autoplay videos on cellular data and pin downloads on Pinterest. If you're someone who loves being visually inspired on the go, this is for you. Let's dive right into making sure you never miss a beat or a pin, even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. First, open your Pinterest app. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap it, and then proceed to tap on your profile icon, which should be visible on the screen. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile, where all your boards and saved pins live. Now that you're on your profile, the next step is to find your way into the settings. Look for social permissions, or a similar option within your profile settings. The location of this setting can sometimes shift with app updates, so poke around until you find it. Okay, you're almost there. Inside the social permissions, you should see the option to enable autoplay videos on cellular data. Simply toggle this setting to the on position. By enabling this, you're telling Pinterest that it's okay to automatically play videos even when you're using your mobile data. Keep in mind that enabling autoplay on cellular data will use your data, so if you have a limited data plan, keep an eye on your usage. If you're concerned about data consumption but still want to see those inspiring videos, consider downloading your favorite pins ahead of time while you're on Wi-Fi. This way, you can enjoy them offline without worrying about data charges. Also, remember that social media platforms like Pinterest sometimes change their settings with updates. If these steps don't exactly match what you're seeing on your screen, don't worry. The general idea is to find the autoplay settings within your data or video preferences. Look for keywords like autoplay, video settings, or data usage to guide you. That's it. You're all set to enjoy autoplay videos and seamless pin downloads anytime, anywhere. Now you can keep discovering ideas, inspiration, and awesome products without interruption, whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or simply out and about. I hope this updated tutorial was helpful. Happy pinning, and enjoy the endless inspiration that Pinterest has to offer, now fully optimized for your on-the-go lifestyle.